everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is New Year. Happy New Year. I'm Anonna, and for today's video I'm going to be reviewing and revealing some secret. This video is from my lovely married ladies that who wears and apply sindoor on their forehead. मांग में सिंदूर भरता है उन लोगों के लिए स्पेशली दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना रिव्यू फ्यू ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट दैट हेल्प्स यू विद द हेयर थिनिंग क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से अगर आप सिंदूर अप्लाई करते हो अपने मांग पे सो हेयर थिनिंग की इशू आ जाती है एंड फॉर एवरी डे जो यूज़ करते हैं उनको पता है कि क्या स्ट्रगल एंड क्या इफेक्ट उसका आता है. सो वीडियो फॉर यू इफ यू आर मैरिड एंड न्यूली मैरिड और वट एवर द लेंथ ड्यूरेशन ऑफ योर मैरिज. It's perfectly fine. You can watch it, collect some tips, and that will help you for sure. So let's start with today's video. Starting of this new year, let's start something new, like going towards or leaning towards natural product. मार्केट में बहुत सारे ऐसे चीज़ें अवेलेबल होता है जो केमिकल से फिल्ड होता है and we have to get to the root, the solution, and we have to choose wisely, smartly. And in 2024 there's going to be a trend called skin minimalism. Yes, skincare routine, we all know 2023, beginning of the 2023 there's a lot of trends with multiple like 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 steps of skincare, and we all like fall into that trap of using a lot of product on our skin, on our hairs, and a lot of things we are doing, like a lot of things we are using that is filled with chemicals. And now 2024 it's going to set a trend on like denying everything, only using natural, authentic and chemical free product. So let's start with our lovely married ladies who wear sindoor every single day, and I have few products that I'm gonna review and I do use it. Long time I was looking for something like natural क्योंकि जब मैं sindoor apply कर रही हूँ for every single day I got it from the local shop market से जो भी available होता है like in a cheap price like 28, 15 and even 30 rupees. That sindoor cost me a lot because I do have thinning on my hair, my hairlines, and it's like reduced, like my hair is going extinct. That's all I could say. So I switched to more authentic and more natural organic products that will not definitely harm my skin and so let's start by seeing that what effect that we have on our hairs if जो natural वाले product हम इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं तो क्या cause होता है, like कैसे hair आपके thinning हो सकते हैं. Let's look at the side effect first, then we are gonna move into the solution part of this video. Okay, right here you can see I have patch of hair loss and also my hairlines around the area reduced. My hair falls a lot. You can see hair thinning definitely in this area. Okay, now we are all done. We're gonna move into the solution. We're gonna talk about the solution. The first thing first, you need to oil your hair. You have to oil your hair very good. That way you ensure there's a growth in your hair. So अगर आपकी hair thinning हो चुकी है and you need to change your sindoor, but उसके बाद you have to take care of your hair. You share कि मैंने कैसे stop किया मेरी hair thinning. First I start oiling. I started using rosemary water and other product to stop the hair from falling out. And I stopped it using the sindoor all the way to the top. I started wearing lesser. जब मेरी हेयर थिनिंग की मैं प्रॉब्लम की सोल्यूशन निकाल रही थी तब मैंने थोड़ा सा रिड्यूस किया था बिकॉज आई नो आई विल यूज़ इट एंड थोड़े से ज़्यादा अमाउंट में ही मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ, एवरी डे यूज़ करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज इट्स मेक्स मी फील ब्यूटिफुल. आई फील ब्यूटिफुल एंड इट्स लाइक चेंज द होल वाइब. सो आई रियली लव टू वेयर सिंदूर. सो जब मेरी हेयर थोड़ी सी रिकवर होने लगी, थोड़े से आने लगे, देन आई स्टार्टेड to explore the market कि market में ऐसी कौन सी variety, कौन से product है जो authentic है, जो chemical free है and बिल्कुल ही hair loss नहीं करते, कोई side effects नहीं है. So then I came across this Kumkum. So this is the product. I got it from Amazon. Amazon is a savior currently. So this one एक authentic homegrown brand है, Kumkum बनाती है and natural है and इस पे बिल्कुल ही chemical नहीं है. So this is in color maroon. मैं have to use it during the 6 months because 6 months के बाद अब इसकी expiry date है. So after opening this product you have to use it for 6 months. इसकी texture बहुत अलग है and it is proven that when I use it, I know that it's 100% organic, authentic. It do have a smell. I don't know where the smell is coming from because this is only 2 ingredients product and that's all. This is a naturally produced Kumkum. Open it and see how it looks from inside. Now I'm gonna apply and show it to you guys. This is in color maroon. ये organic product है. इस पे प्रिजर्वेटिव्स नहीं है बट आपको अप्लाई करने के बाद कोई भी इचिंग एंड इरिटेशन नहीं होता है. पैकेट ओपन करने के बाद एक स्वीट सा अरोमा भी आता है. दिस इज़ अ रियली ऑथेंटिक प्रोडक्ट एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स आफ्टर अप्लाइंग. Okay, let's talk about the other sindoor that I got. This one is liquid sindoor. Before this brand, I'm using Blue Heaven का liquid sindoor. That is also fine. I think that is also works well and hair thinning बिल्कुल नहीं होते उससे. But this one I switch it up a little bit. This one also long lasting liquid sindoor influenced with ghee and rose. We all know benefit of ghee. And one in maroon color and this one in red color. The other Kumkum that I showed you, it's on maroon color and that's the only color available on the website itself. So this is the liquid sindoor. This one came with an applicator and easy to apply and dyes out quickly. One of the cons in this is like the color. The color faded a bit after 1 or 2 hours, so it doesn't feel like the red anymore, and it's also you need to reapply it. I guess if you want that look, like the glossy look, it doesn't get that. It just dyed out quickly and scramble हो जाता है थोड़ा सा. That's the one thing that I'm seeing in this, and I think I have to reapply it more than once अगर मुझे वो वाली red वाला look चाहिए होता है तो. Otherwise it's good. And got a scent, and this one I'm also using. Let's open the other one. This is the color. First time I'm opening this one. I didn't open it. See how it applies. I got 2 of these, one in maroon and one in red. N Beauty 2 liquid sindoor influence with the rose water and benefit of ghee. I am applying the red one first. This one I'm using currently and I love the color red, but it dries out quickly. The cons I have already mentioned in the video. Now let's open and see the maroon one. I got it in both the color. The maroon one also very pretty, but I didn't apply it or use it yet, but the color looks very promising. So this is the 2 color, the natural organic product. So now let's see, after applying and switching to more organic products, how is my hair doing at this moment? Back with a closer look. Now I have washed all my sindoor so you guys can see the result after switching to more natural product. So this is my hairline now. And I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe. And बहुत सारे ऐसे videos आ जाएंगे related to my life. Actually, what I do, I share on here, share on my YouTube channel. That's on this video here. I'll see you guys in my next video. तब तक के लिए take care. Bye.